Welcome back to Natalie and Miriam's kitchen, because my mommy set this up for me. And today we're going to be making healthy burgers. And what we're going to need is carrots, mushrooms, and celery, onion, and garlic, and magical spices. Three, two, one. There is oil, olive oil, and inside here is the mix we made. It's good to scrape all the caramelized bits on the bottom. We have sunflower seeds and what is this? Ew, vinegar! I'm glad that vinegar is gone. And flaxseed.
Soap and water.
Mother, what is this?
Chia seeds.
Chia seeds. You're only gonna take half of it because my mother here that's talking to me put too much. And then beans boiled yes, boiled black beans. Wapow! And then we have oatmeal soaked in water. Pow! Pow! And then what is this?
Pickled beets.
Wapow!
Look at that color.
English sauce and soy sauce. Wapow! Wapow! And then we'll blend it. Huh?
A little more salt and pepper.
Wapow! Wapow! Now that we have the mush, the patty dough, we can put it in molds, but first we have to put the flour, we have to sprinkle flour. So I'm just going to use my hands because a little bit more. And now we will put our molds on the flour and mold it. And now we will get our mush. Dry mini patties. Come on, you. Putting flour. Some more because flour is my favorite thing. And now we're gonna smoosh it down like this. Oh yeah. Tap, 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 tap. Move it to the side.
And you only want to get the yellow part, not the white.
Just 4 teaspoons of mustard. those who don't know how many teaspoons. But if you don't hear me, you can look at the recipe. Come on, you. That tastes really good. Making a emulsified vinaigrette.
Go around in circles, around in circles. Do you see? Where's the oil going? Disappeared.
Okay, we're gonna put this, that, and this. First, we're gonna take our patty. We'll spread first. Ow!
That's why you use the spatula.
No, I thought the spatula was only for the patty. Patty. Woo. And then the sauce. Dribble. I don't care if I make a mess. All I care about is that I spread it. Cucumber is my pepino is my favorite vegetable. Well, besides this, well, my two favorite vegetables are broccoli, yay, the healthiest vegetable in the world, and what? Oh. Where's the spatula? I don't want to burn myself again. And then you have your yummy patty sandwich. Can't wait to eat it when